Hi lovelies, today we're using the beautiful new IOD 2026 Q2 release to make over an old drawer. We're using the IOD Frames 3 mold, and I'm going to start off by calculating how much resin I need. You'll see on the mold there are measurements for each design, so I'm just going to work out, and it's about 120 ml of resin I need. It's the quick Cure Resin I'm going to use, so that's a 50-50 ratio, so that equals to 60 mils of A and 60 mils of B. I'm just giving it a good mix, and then I'm pouring it into the design I want, and then it will take about 15 minutes to cure. I'm just using a popsicle stick to push the resin into all the little corners. And I do think that I'm going to need to top up the last design with a bit more. I've just mixed some more resin, and this time I'm using the Frames 1 mold. I'm also just topping up the two designs a bit that had too little resin. I went ahead and I made another set of castings. I've painted all the castings, and now I'm ready to start cutting out the transfers I need, and I'm using the new Fern Fables transfer from IOD. I've cut out all the tiny images for the frames, and I'm using the provided transfer tool to apply all the images onto the frames. All the frames are done, and I'm now using Fusion's Tough Coat to seal all the transfers and also the paint, because I want to add some dark wax. It's always best to seal the paint before adding it, so that you have more control over how much of the dark wax you can wipe back. Okay, I'm now ready to start on the sides of the drawer, and I have painted the drawer with Fusion Chateau, and I've also added just plain round doorknobs to the bottom as raisers or feet. I will now be positioning and planning the layout. I want to add some of the beautiful transfers in between the frames, so I need to play around until I'm happy. So yeah, I'm just moving around, seeing which transfers I want to use and just taking it from there. I'm just using Pentart's Heavy Body Gel as a glue, and I've mounted all the frames into place. I'm almost ready to add some aging wax, but before I do that, I will add some sealer again. I've done all the sides, and finally I'm adding some Pentard's gold wax paste. Just a little trick, if you get some wax paste on the areas that you don't want, then you can use the clear wax paste just to remove it. And that is my project. I'm so happy with how it turned out, and I just love the new IOD products. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you like this project. I have also listed all the products I used in the description below, and until next time.